Hello beauties, hello beauties, hello beauties, hello beauties. Welcome to Vhen Beauty channel. Welcome back. If it's your first time, welcome to Vhen Beauty channel. My name is Vhen, and this channel we talk more about skincare, lifestyle, and we do some vlog and sometimes DIY. And also thank you for my old goodie buddy. If you are if you are new subscribers, thank you as well. And if you're just passing by, don't show me some love, okay? Show me some love to subscribe and to comment and to share. All right. How's you guys been? I hope you guys been fine. In my side, I'm perfectly fine and okay. Okay, today's video is going to talk about Clonovate. I'm not going to take too much of your time. I'm just going to do a short video and I'm going to talk about Clonovate. And all of us know what is Clonovate. For you guys doesn't know Clonovate, I'm going to put it as here for you guys to see what is Clonovate. Clonovate is a cream. It's a very good cream. And also I've done a video about Clonovate, how to use it. I'm going to put it here. If you never seen this video, go and see this, how to use Clonovate and also how to mix Clonovate. I'm going to pop up those videos there. You can see how to use Clonovate, how to mix Clonovate, what is the effective to use Clonovate. Clonovate is a good cream, like I always say, and the reason why I'm doing this video is about to say we having Clonovate in the market. In Vhen Beauty here we have Clonovate now. Clonovate has arrived a long time, I think 1 month now or 2 months now, I'm pretty sure. I was so busy to do the video about Clonovate and I decided today to do the video about Clonovate. For you guys who was looking for Clonovate and for asking when Clonovate is going to be back in the market, Clonovate is back in Vhen Beauty. Clonovate is back in Vhen Beauty. And yes, if you really want to purchase Clonovate, now is the time for purchasing Clonovate because we have it only left few quantity left for the Clonovate, just few product left. And I'm going to put the link below where you can purchase Clonovate. At the moment we're using ST for selling the product on eBay, but Vhen Beauty website is going to be launched soon. We're going to launch Vhen Beauty and be ready where you guys can purchase our product, because you guys been waiting for this for a long time, where to purchase the product and where to see our product is coming very soon. And we're cooking something very good. You guys will see soon something is going to, we're going to share with you guys what we've been cooking for a long time. Okay, yes, and Vhen Beauty supply is coming very soon. Be ready to purchase our product. And Clonovate as well is going to be there in the website. And yes, the website is coming very soon. We already have our packaging. We already have what we needed, what we was waiting, our packaging and everything. If you're not following me on Instagram, please go and follow us on Instagram, which is Vhen Beauty. On Facebook is Vhen Beauty, and on TikTok is Vhen Beauty. We're just doing some video on TikTok, which is Vhen Beauty. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, which is Vhen Beauty. On the TikTok is Vhen Beauty. On the most all the social media, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook is Vhen Beauty, and Snapchat is Vhen Beauty as well. If you want to know more about what we're doing and what we're sharing, follow us on Vhen Beauty. And my personal page is Arabelle65 on Instagram. I think it's linked on this channel. You can just click on this channel, you go to my personal page and you click to my business page, which is Vhen Beauty. Okay, Clonovate is very good cream to use, and I'm not going to take so much time to explain what is Clonovate, what is this, because I already done the video about Clonovate. I'm going to put this video here. You guys can watch how to use Clonovate and how to maintain your skin by using Clonovate. Which cream you can mix Clonovate with it. I'm going to put the video. You guys can watch. I hope you guys will like the video. Keep watching. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and to subscribe this video. Thank you. Bye. See you to the next video.